Last time we have created a to-do app with Redux, and this time we are going to try to convert this app by using UseContext, and you will see how easy to use the UseContext to do the same things. But first we have to go to create a context folder first.
And then inside the context, we create 3 files.
The 3 files are UseContext, UseReducer, and the types. So now we are going to copy the code from the store. First, we have to go to the So we create a reducer file, and we're going to change. We are going to copy from the reducer. We copy this code. And then we paste here. And we have to change the name. And also, since we are using the node model, so we have also need to import this from the model. And we also can go to copy the constant from the action. And then we go to the types and we paste there. So we go back to the UseReducer. Because we also use these 2 constants, we have to import these 2 constants from the types. Now we go to the UseContext, and then we are going to import the create context from React. And then we export this. Since we do not use the React here, so we can delete this one. Now we go to the reducer, and we see there is nodes and also the initial stage, because we are going to use this part in our app.js. So we have to copy this. And then we go to the app.js. And inside the app, we paste here. And of course, the import file should be pasted on the top. Now, since we will not use Redux, so we will not have create store. We also do not need the provider. We also do not need the previous reducer. These 2 lines also can be deleted. Instead, we are going to use the UseReducer, so we have to import the UseReducer. And also, we have to import the new UseReducer that we just created. Also, we have to import the UseContext. from our node context. So now, since we are going to transfer the state and the dispatch to our navigations, all the components under the provider, so we have to use this constant state dispatch and use reducer and node reducer and also the initial state. So now we pass the initial state and also the dispatch to the provider, but this time we are not using the provider, we are going to use the nodes context dot provider. Now we do not have the store, instead we have the value, which is equal to the state and also the dispatch. So now under these components, they can use the state and also the dispatch functions. Now we go to the list.js and we are going to make some changes. Since we are going to use the UseContext, so we have to import the UseContext from the React. And then we also need to use the add nodes and also the toggle favorite, but we do not need to import from the store, so we have to delete this one. And then we copy from the nodes reducer and paste it inside the nodes list. And now we do not need to use the useSelector, and also we do not need to use the dispatch, so this one can also be deleted. And now the nodes can be found in the UseContext. So first we have to get the state and also the dispatch, and this is using the UseContext. And now we have to import the nodes context because we are going to use them. And then the nodes is equal to state.nodes, and the favorite nodes is equal to state.favorite nodes. Now we can dispatch directly from here, so we are going to dispatch the type, which is equal to add nodes, and the content should be the nodes content, because inside the reducer we are using the action.nodes content, so in this one we are going to use the nodes content as well. And similar for the toggle favorite. And this is node ID, and we are going to pass the item.id, and the other part should be the same. Now we go to the favorite nodes.js, and actually this is very similar, and because we do not need to use the useDispatch and useSelector, so we can delete this one. And we also can delete the toggle favorite because we do not have the store again. Instead, we are going to use the UseContext and also we have to import the nodes context from the context from the nodes context. And also we have to import the constant, just like the notes list. We have to import these two constants, but this time we do not need to have the add notes, we just need the toggle favorite. And again, we have to import, we have to use the UseContext. So we copy this one and paste it to the favorite notes. So we do not have these two lines. And we also do not need the notes because we just need to display the favorite notes. And now the toggle favorite actually is the same as this one. So we copy this and paste it here. Now we also do not need the props. So we save all. So we are now going to test the app, and we can see there are some error in app.js, which means we cannot find the note. So we may have the wrong path here. And we try to reload the app. And you can see the app can be run. And we try to type something. And it still can add. And we can toggle the favorite. And let's see on the favorite. We can toggle the favorite here, and you can also see the star already removed even in the home page.